I start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. First of all, hello dear friends, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
What about
I'm
you?
also pretty good. Well, my name is Karam Khan Mari, my father's name is Mari, and I study in class 7. Well, and I am now expert for the Sarkazam Raza who gives me opportunity to talk about my topic. Well, now I gonna to my topic. My topic is a computer. Do you know everyone what is a computer?
I know.
Computer is the
Computer is electrical and typical machine.
Yes, computer is an electronic data processing machine. Computer is an electronic data processing machine, and a computer use electric and after that processing and electronic data. What is data? Data is we have our any questions, any problems, and everyone else. And after that, parts of computer. Number 1, CPU. Number 2, mouse. Number 3, keyboard. Number 4, monitor. Keyboard is an input device. Mouse is an input device. And CPU. CPU is a brand of a computer. Means CPU have 3 tabs. Number 1, power button. Number 2, floppy drive. And number 2, CD drive. Well, and after that, main computer part is hardware and software. Do you know what is a hardware and what is software? Hardware means we touch it, we see that. And after that, software. Software means we don't see it, but we see that, but we don't touch it. Software has 2 parts. Number 1, system software. Number 2, application software. First of all, system software. System software is work as a control computer of all hardware. And after that, Windows, Linux, and Android as part of system software. And after that, application software. Application software means some applications of computer. Number 1, MS Word. Number 2, TikTok. Number 3, YouTube. Number 4, Facebook. And number 5, Google. Well, and now I gonna to hardware. Hardware means we touch it and we see that. It has many types. Number 1, input device. Number 2, process device. Number 3, output. And number 4, storage device. And number 5, connection device. First of all, we see the input device. Input device, mouse, keyboard, and microphone, and scanners. And after that, process device. Process device is microprocess and RAM and ROM. Do you know what is RAM and what is ROM? Is a short form is a random access memory. Well, and after that, output devices. We have output devices as a monitor and printer and projector. Well, and after that, storage devices. Storage devices means USB and desktop and DVD and flash drive, memory and CD drive. Well, and after that, communication devices. Communication devices, NIC means network interface card, and after that, network switch NS, and after that, Bluetooth. Well, finally, we see the shape of the computer. Here is shape of the computer. He is a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. Well, nice to meet you.